Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to walk you through a super fun and incredibly useful tutorial, how to create and sell your very own printable coloring pages using Canva. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to design a beautiful, kid-friendly coloring page around the letter C and how to get it ready for sale as a digital download. Whether you're looking to start your own printable business or simply craft amazing activities for little ones, this step-by-step process will set you up for success. So let's jump straight in. We're going to start by designing our foundation. The alphabet letter C. Open up Canva and create a new page with the size you want for your coloring sheet. A4 letter size usually works best. In the text tool, go ahead and type a big, bold letter C. You want this letter to really stand out on the page, so don't be shy about making it nice and large. Here's a helpful tip. To keep things efficient, hold down the Alt key and drag your letter to easily make a copy, then type a lowercase c as well. This helps kids recognize both versions of the letter and gives them more to color. Now select both letters and change their color to white. This might seem odd at first, but remember, we want the letters to stay blank so that kids have space to get creative with their coloring. Once the letters are in place, it's time to create those thick, crisp outlines that make a coloring page really pop. Head over to the Effects option, click on Outline, and adjust the thickness until you've got a nice, clear border that will be fun and easy for little hands to fill in. You don't want the outline too thick or too faint, just enough to define the shape while leaving space inside. Take a moment here to tweak the positioning and size if things aren't quite looking right. This is your foundation, so make sure it feels balanced and easy to color. Now let's add some themed illustrations. To keep things educational and engaging, we'll fill the page with fun objects that start with the letter C. Think cats, cars, or even crosses, items familiar to kids that reinforce the sound and shape of the letter. Click on the Elements tab and type Cat Outline in the search bar. Be sure to look for graphics that are simple black outlines with no fill. These work best for coloring pages. Drag your chosen cat outline onto your design, resize it, and position it somewhere that looks balanced around your big C's. Next, search for a car outline and repeat the process. You can keep adding more C-themed items like a cross, a cupcake, or a cloud, whatever you like. The key here is to make your page both aesthetically pleasing and educational while giving lots of open space for coloring. As you arrange your elements, don't worry if it takes a few tries to get everything just right. Spacing things out and experimenting with the layout is all part of the creative process. If something looks a bit crowded, just resize or shift things around, there's no rush. Ultimately, you want your finished coloring page to feel inviting and visually balanced. Once you're happy with your creation, it's time to get it ready for sharing or selling. Head to the Share button in the corner of Canva, choose Download, and select PDF Print as your format. This will ensure your coloring page has crisp, beautiful lines when printed at home or by buyers. Save the file to your computer and you're all set. And that's it, you've just created a stunning printable coloring page, perfect for kids and ready to sell online or share with your community. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a like, leave any questions or ideas down in the comments, and subscribe for more step-by-step guides just like this one. Thanks for watching and happy creating.